Hello everyone, welcome back to ResearchRover. Today I will show you how to automate tasks in MS Word, super quick and easy. So these tricks will save you time and make your work much more faster. So here you can see my document. So let's start. For this, first go to Simple View tab, then select Macros and click on Record Macro. Here you can give the name of your macro, like I am keeping its my work. You can name it according to yourself. Then simple click on keyboard. This dialog box will appear. Now simple press any key from your keyboard. Like I want to, it's according to your own will. I am going to click Ctrl with W and simple press on assign. Then close the dialog box. Now whatever you will perform on MS Word, it will be copied by macro. Understand? For example, you want to change font size, color or style. Like I'm going to change my font size. I want Algerian. Then I want to change its font size as well. Font size I want to select 11. Then I want to bold my text. No, I didn't want to bold. I want to italicize. Then simple, I want to keep my text aligned at one side. And simple, after performing your task, whatever you want to do, go to view again, click on macros and click on stop recording. Now whatever you have performed before 1 second on your MS Word, it is copied by macro. Now you can use it whenever you want. Like for example, now whenever I press my shortcut key Ctrl plus W, Word will repeat those steps automatically which I have done before. Like if I'm going to select this and I'm going to I'm going to press Ctrl with A. So this was the macro which I have saved earlier before recording a video. So now I'm going to select this paragraph and I am clicking Ctrl plus W on my keyboard. So this is the macro which I have saved now in my recording video. Now click on this second. You can save your macros more than 1, 2, 3. So I have also saved this. So I'm click on S. Then this is saved macro. This is saved macro. This is and this is. So by using saved macros, you can save your time and you can shape your document according to yourself while copying or writing assignments, research paper or whatever. So doing this, you don't need to change font size, font style again and again. Once you saved it, you can use it automatically whenever you want on your MS Word, like this. So I hope you like it. If you like it, do subscribe and comment on my channel. Meet you next video. Until Allah Hafiz.